Let's have some fun! Hi, my name is Frankie, and I love to learn and have fun. Today, we're here at an airport. How cool is that? We're gonna go and check out some airplanes. Come on, let's go inside the hangar and check out some planes. Come on. Look at this airplane. Can you tell me the color of this airplane? Good job! The color of this airplane is yellow! Whoa, look at this one! Look at this airplane! This airplane is white and blue. Cool. Okay, let's go check out this other airplane that's outside. Come on. Whoa, watch your head. The color of this airplane is green and white. Now, let's talk a little bit about the parts of an airplane. These are the wheels. Let's count how many wheels there are. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. This airplane has 3 wheels. Okay, so the front of the airplane is called the nose. And you see this right here? These are called propellers. And they spin really, really, really fast. And it helps the plane fly through the air. Now, let's talk a little bit about the wings. These are the wings of an airplane. And this metal piece right here, connecting from the wing to the body of the airplane, is called the strut. And it helps support the wing. Now let's go in the back of the wing. See this part right here? This part goes up and down, up and down. And it's called the aileron. And the aileron helps the plane turn while it's in the air. This part of the wing, right here, this is called the flap. And the flap helps the plane speed up and slow down. So that's the wing. Now let's talk about the back of the airplane. This right here is called the tail. And this part right here, see how it's going left and right, left and right, left and right. This part right here is called the rudder. And the rudder helps the plane steer, you guessed it, left and right while it's in the air. These right here, these are called elevators. Not the elevators that you see in store, okay? But they almost have the same function. Because the elevators in the store, they go up and down, up and down. These elevators also go up and down, up and down. And that's exactly what it helps the plane do while it's in the air. It helps it go up and down. Cool, right? let's go check out the inside of the airplane. The inside of the airplane is called the cockpit. And that's where all the controls are. See? You see this right here? Kind of looks like a half steering wheel. This is called the yolk. Kind of like the same inside of an egg, the yolk. But the yolk on an airplane controls all those different parts that we talked about. This is how you control it, right here. Left and right. If you push it in and push it out. It controls the elevators, controls the rudders, controls the aileron, controls the flaps, all right here. Now, if you look inside, all the way inside, you can see at the very bottom, right here, these are the pedals. And the pedals control the airplane while it's riding on the ground. Okay? So you can steer with the pedals and the airplane is rolling on the ground. You want to see me get in it? Okay, I'm gonna get in it. Here I go! Whoa! Look at me! Woo! Awesome! Man, I really want to fly an airplane now. Wow, so cool. All right, I'm coming back out. Wow, I had so much fun learning about airplanes. Did you? Yeah! I want to fly like an airplane now. Come on, pretend to fly like an airplane with me. Come on, come on. Awesome! I had so much fun. Well, see you next time. Bye!